I want to make you a happy mom. Ask me how. Okay, come closer. With this book I've written for mothers, mothers to be, nursing mothers, and future mothers, you can be happy. Now, if you want your baby to be the healthiest baby in the block, if you want your baby to be energetic and happy, if you want to win your child effortlessly with no stress, and if you want your baby to steal everyone's attention when they see him or her, this book is for you. What Jason Eats is a 5-chapter book guide that is written in a simple and concise way to help all mothers know how to properly take care of their babies and what to feed them at each phase of their life. You will be getting over 30 plus Puree recipes, what you need to know about breastfeeding, mind-blowing essential baby care tips, my recommended formula brands, and how to make Jason's special pap, and lots more. My name is Cynthia Nnam. I am a mom of 2 healthy babies and a human physiologist with great knowledge in nutritional physiology. I am a serial entrepreneur and I'm passionate about the general well-being of babies and mothers. Or you call the number on your screen or click on the link in the caption to get your copy for 4,000 naira. Don't forget, a healthy baby makes a happy mom. Lots of love to all my mothers. Mwah, 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 mwah.